Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating offers premier AC repair services in Houston, TX. Our expert technicians ensure prompt and reliable solutions to keep your home cool and comfortable. With a focus on quality craftsmanship and customer satisfaction, we diagnose and repair all AC issues efficiently. Trust Ace Comfort for professional and affordable HVAC services that you can rely on. Experience the difference with our dedicated team today. Contact our AC repair services today for consultation. Are you looking for a AC repair services near me? You can stop looking. You found Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating. What happens if air conditioner is not serviced? The loss of the AC's principal function, cooling, is one of the most obvious and inconvenient effects of neglect. How long does aircon maintenance take? It mostly relies on the issue at hand and how soon it may be resolved. Generally speaking, air conditioning service takes anything from 30 to an hour. What is your AC repair services area for the Houston, Texas office? Our local AC repair services has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Houston, Cypress, Tomball, Pasadena, Katy, Sugar Land, Baytown, Friendswood, Spring, League City, Harris County, the Woodlands, Humble, Bellaire, Galveston, Angleton, Damon, Eagle Lake, Texas. Where is your Houston, Texas AC repair services located? We are located at 1504 Rothwell Street, Houston, Texas 77002. Our phone number is 281-658-5141. Visit our website, http://www.achicomforttx.com/